Am I the first person on YouTube to review the PCS Collectibles Advanced Suit Spider-Man 1/10 scale statue? Let's check it out. Well, hello there, people. What do I have to do to get you to subscribe to my channel? Well, I make videos of stuff I just think is cool. So, I don't know. I'm into all kinds of different things. Today, I'm into this 1/10 scale Advanced Suit Spider-Man statue, 1/10 scale, that I received today. I ordered it from Sideshow Collectibles. Let's take a quick look at the box. After shipping and taxes, I ended up paying $103.92 for this. I've actually had my eye on it for probably about 5 months when it might have been longer when they first announced it, but I noticed it around 5 months ago. And I kept telling myself, I should buy that. And it was always only up for pre-order. So I just let it slide. And about, 2 weeks ago, I checked again and they were available. They were in stock. So I placed my order. I received it today. Little pegs go into the holes to keep it in place. It's actually the first statue I've ever wanted or bought, just because I love the design of this suit, and it actually has a good weight to it. It measures 7.5 inches tall. So cool. It definitely will not be my last statue I buy. Usually I buy hot toys, but I never really pose them in dynamic poses anyway. And I thought this was a cool size. I'm really happy with it, actually. It's better than I thought it would even be. Lots of details. And it'll look cool sitting on my shelf, so. And with the hot toys, I think it's around, what, $200 plus for it. And this was half the price. So, why not? Just get a bunch of different angles for you to check it out. Let me know in the comments if you bought this or you're going to buy it. I love reading your guys' comments, good or bad. Spider-Man's always one of my favorite characters. I like the classic suit, but this one is just so cool. I never played the video game, but one of these days I'll get around to it. I like this more than Hot Toys because I know the only way something bad will happen is if I drop it. With the Hot Toys, with the leather, it seems like the suit could crack after time, and that's no fun. Look at that thing. It's so cool. Just hitting a few more angles for you. Don't want to make this video too long. It's definitely worth the wait for me. I love it. I didn't think I would like statues as much as I do, but I'm into it. I want to see what else they have to offer. Now I'm not going to have to go do some research, but if this is your first time to my channel, like I said earlier, please subscribe. It would help me out. I would really appreciate it. It's gonna wrap this video up, so thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.